Ndewo mo ndị ọma nọ n'obodo oyibo. Aha m bụ Chika. Abụ m onye nkụzi Igbo. Hello my good people in diaspora. My name is Chika and I am an Igbo tutor. Okay, in my previous video I talked about my specialty as an Igbo tutor, where I tutor kids, I tutor teenagers and beginner adults that are from the eastern parts of Nigeria, or those that want to feel confident in speaking the Igbo language, but they do not know how to. So I am an Igbo tutor. I help you achieve that. I help you make sure your pronunciation, your fluency, your spelling is accurate. So when you communicate with those that know how to do it, or know those that know how to speak the Igbo language, your speaking will be fluent. All right, for today we'll be looking at beginner friendly Igbo words. Yes, beginner friendly Igbo words. We'll be starting with the greeting expression and how it is being pronounced. Yes, I focus on pronunciation, fluency, conversation, and spelling. How it is being pronounced. You might know what you want to say, but when you say it, others cannot understand you because you're not pronouncing it properly. So in today's class, or in today's video, I'll be showing you how these words are being pronounced. I'll be starting with the greeting expression. So come with me. First in our list, we have the ndewo. It is pronounced ndewo. That means hello. And it is also spelled like ndewo. The next one is kedu. Kedu is how are you. You can say kedu kide. That's how are you, or kedu. And it is being spelled like this, kedu. Also, we have the adimumma. When someone asks you kedu, you have to answer the person. And what do you answer the person? You answer the person adimumma, which means I am fine. And adimumma is spelled like this. Okay, the next one is the person proceeds to say, oh, ahagi or guinea, which is what is your name? Now, what does that mean? You say, what is your name? Ahagi or guinea. Ahagi or guinea is spelled like this. Take note of the spellings. Take note of the spellings. Now, when somebody asks you what is your name, of course you have to answer the person. You don't just keep mute. And what do you answer the person? You say, Aham bu Chika, which means my name is Chika. And Aham bu Chika is spelled like this. So these are beginner friendly greeting expression that you will be seeing in my class today if you come across this video. And if you want more of this, you can also reach me via my Preply profile link, which I'll be putting down below, down this video or below this video. You can visit my profile and book a trial class with me, book a trial lesson with me. See you in class. Thank you, Mama.